listening to the Higher Done Radio Network. My name's Adam Helfman. We got Erica Harper co-hosting this morning with me. Good morning, Erica.
Good morning.
Joining us for our contractor spotlight, Jeff Weaver from Clarkston Window and Door. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you for having us.
So, since it's your first time on the Higher Done Radio Show, introduce yourself to the Higher Done audience. Tell everyone who you are, what your company is, how long you've been around.
I'm Jeff Weaver, Clarkston Window and Door Company. We've been in business for 30 years. My father, Jim Weaver, and I started the business, and we've been proudly serving Oakland, Macomb, Wayne counties for a long time, selling windows and doors.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, congratulations to lasting 30 years. You know, most contractors fail in the first 5 years. So, shout out to you. So, you're second generation.
Yes, I am.
Well, that's cool. So you've been in business that long. So let's get right into the meat of things. You're a different type of window company. You're not like the ones that you see on TV all the time and the high pressure sales and everything's on sale, half off labor, 3 for 1, 2 for 1, this, that, and the other, blah, 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 blah.
Correct. We're pretty laid back with our sales approach. We really want the quality of the product, the quality of the install to really stand out and be the value, not the high pressure from a salesperson.
Sure. And that's the best part about it. So if somebody wants a window that's done properly, there's so many differences between windows that people don't realize it. And that was so apparent this week when I came to visit one of your projects. So let's just recap on that really quick, Jeff. So I went and saw a project that you guys were installing windows. The brand of windows, North Star.
Yep.
And it was a white vinyl.
That particular one was a white. We do a lot of exterior colors. We have 2 tones available, so we can do a color in, color out, or a wood grain inside.
So is that something that's more recent in the marketplace?
It's been out for a little bit. What's unique about North Star is it's a laminated exterior color. The laminated exterior color has really good color hold ability, so it's less likely to fade out.
Okay.
It has kind of a wood grain texture to it as well too, so it just holds up significantly better than a paint finish vinyl or an extruded color will become chalky over time. You see, like an old tan window, it's got that chalky kind of white residue that comes out of it.
Terratone.
Yeah, exactly. So it looks terrible after 5-10 years. Well, the laminated finishes just don't do that.
Yeah, you cannot clean that off. It just comes right back.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, it's the calcium that's coming out based on the sun hitting the vinyl extrusion itself. Where if you get to a laminated with a Luxan laminate like we have with the North Star product, it doesn't do that at all.
Perfect.
Interesting. We're talking with Jeff Weaver, Clarkston Window and Door. The website's clarkstonwindow.com. So what sets you guys apart?
Wow. Well, we have this great product, North Star Windows. The North Star window has an integrated J channel on it. It has an applied factory extension jam on it, which allows us to install it with virtually no coil on the outside of the product.
When you say coil, you mean do you mean aluminum? You mean aluminum wrapping around the outside?
Correct. Most of our competitors are just getting a stock standard window. They're sliding it into the opening, and then they're turning around and wrapping it with metal and kind of fudging the inside trim to kind of make it work. We're ordering the window specifically to fit that original rough opening that the builder built when he built the home, and trying to make it look as original as possible.
And that's the best part. When I was on the job site, that's a true custom fit. And I was talking to your installer,
Steve,
yeah, nice guy, very thorough, by the way. He was telling me he measures brick to brick, and he has an 1/8 inch on each side. Most window companies are 3/4 or an inch on each side. Just give you that,
even the high end ones.
Yeah, that's the thing. So and these are all custom made to the opening. It's not like you're taking stock sizes and trying to jam them in an opening.
Correct. Yeah, we're ending up with one really nice caulk bead on the outside instead of multiple caulk beads out there. Inside, we're retrimming in most cases, and really kind of making it just a beautiful finish.
You know what I really liked was when you talk about the inside, because not all window companies will match the trim or retrim on the inside. A lot of them will just install the window and be like, okay, now you need a carpenter or a painter to come and match the trim.
Yeah, we're unique. As Tracy, one of my favorite coworkers, says, she's like, we're the purple squirrel in the industry. You know, we're that company that comes out and does the trim, the paint, we'll rehang the blinds. You know, we do this amazing exterior brick mold on the product, and it's pretty unique. Not a lot of people are doing that.
You know, when we saw the project, and before I went out there, I went and visited a project that they were installing, and they were just wrapping it up, and I got to see them install a big picture window above a front door. They were putting in a new front door, plus the house had a whole new set of windows. And one of the unique situations that stood out to me, besides the quality of the workmanship, was the fact that you guys were painting the trim and you were putting on the casing, just like Erica said. But there were some areas, like in the kitchen, there was a backsplash, there was tile. So it wasn't just like slapping it in. There was some customization that had to be done. You guys had to work around and make it look like, you know, it was built in the original. And so that stands out. Plus, you know, I'm observing, like, there's cardboard on the floor, tracks where everything is. You guys had a debris pile. Like, you guys had a systematic way. So when homeowners are afraid, right? People come to the house. They're workers, you know, and oh no. Well, you guys, you know, you made it so that you just did what you were doing working, but everything I noticed, cleanup, debris removal, your guys were in little like worker bees. Yeah, I thought that was interesting.
Thank you. We really try to respect the homeowner and the homeowner's home from day one. Our sales consultants, Jim, Tim, Bill, when they come out to the house, they really. They're going to take their shoes off, they're going to put their little booties on, they're going to go through the house, and they're going to be respectful of time. I hear so many customers say, I had to throw XYZ window company out of my house after 4 hours. I was just
You're sweating.
Yeah, and they didn't want to deal with that. Where we were just in there, answered every question they have, gave them a proposal, take their time. There's no pressure.
Well, you have a lot of experience in the industry. So when people are shopping for windows, what is a common mistake that homeowners make when they're looking, okay, I need a window?
Don't get pressured. Do not get pressured into buying windows because that special sale price is only good for that day. Run from that customer or that client, that contractor that was offering that. Just
right.
Run.
So if you're a homeowner right now thinking about windows for your house or doors, and you don't feel like being pressured into it, Clarkston Windows is a good company to have out. It's a free estimate.
We're a great company.
So you do
exactly.
You do doors and garage doors. So there's a lot of places that do window and doors don't also do garage doors. So
correct. We do garage doors. In fact, as you were mentioning earlier, we do the garage doors with the Wi-Fi capable openers. So it's a
lifesaver.
It is. I love it.
I'm one of those people who leaves my garage door open on a regular basis, so I don't have to worry about that anymore.
Yes, the little alert that comes through to tell you to close it is pretty nice.
Yeah.
So, is there a brand of garage door you carry? Or?
Rainer garage doors. Yep.
Okay.
They're LiftMaster openers. Rainer garage doors. Mm-hmm.
And then you have the insulated and not insulated.
Oh yeah. Yep.
And when we're talking about doors, are we talking about like fancy entry doors and like back side entry doors? Like what kind of doors?
Yes, we do fiberglass entry doors by Therma-Tru and by North Star. Range of price available there from a lower cost point up to a really high-end door. So you can do fiberglass, wood grains. We have fiberglass doors that look
like wood.
Exactly.
That
like
door
wood.
of the job we were saying. I'm amazed at it.
Yeah.
That's where technology comes out, because a fiberglass door installed properly is the last door you'll need.
Exactly.
So it makes sense.
It's a great product.
So if someone wants the North Star window, which is through Clarkston Window, where's it built, by the way?
North Star is produced in London, Ontario.
This is not too
Thomas,
far.
Yeah. And North Star is an American-owned company with 90% of their production being produced in Canada. And they're really suited for the Canadian market. So they're looking for products that are really hardy, durable, really well insulated.
Canadian building codes beat ours. Like, they're always more strict, which is good. So if something coming from Canada for a home, I'd be like, yeah. So the extrusions, the vinyl, the way it's installed, the brick mold was what stood out to me. You want to care to comment on that?
Yeah, the brick mold feature and the extension jam feature, it allows us to accommodate the window in a way in your opening to push it a little bit towards the outside and give us a nice clean place to caulk to, and really size that trim on the outside.
Makes it look like the window. It doesn't have a thick edge
Yeah.
around it. That's the best part of thinking about it.
Really clean.
The details like that are what make things look clean and nice,
Yes.
right? It's a big difference between a sloppy.
I would almost say every homeowner, if thinking about windows, should go see one of your projects
I would
or just
certainly hope
pictures
so.
of it, because that
Or
would be the best.
Yeah, or even see our showroom. We have full-size window displays on display in our showroom in Pontiac, and we have, what people don't realize is like the brick mold is bent radius,
Yeah.
and that bent radius, it
One
gets
piece.
it gets you away from all the little tiny pieces of 4-inch cut metal that everybody else
Perfect.
is doing. It looks so nice.
Awesome. Jeff Weaver, Clarkston Window and Door. ClarkstonWindow.com. If you want to get a free estimate, give him a call, 248-338-6781. Jeff, see how time flies when you're having fun?
I see that.
It goes great. I want to thank you for coming in, man. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Great project I saw, by the way. Coming up next, more Hire It Done. I'm Adam Helfman, and you're listening to the Hire It Done Radio Network.